Here we are, November 7th. This is my other turbo. This is the 1984 turbo. This one was a ground-up restoration. Every nut bolt came out, frame powder coated, everything repainted. Everything that's black is either ceramic powder coated or painted. Widened wheel, and as you can see, the welds were actually ground down on it, so now you can put a 160 wheel on the back. 2-inch exhaust, custom made. 810 kit. All the bolts on this motor, almost every single bolt on this motor has been replaced with stainless steel cap Allen heads. GPz 1100 throttle bodies, blow off valve, clutch mod, oil pan mod, oil pump mod, original brake calipers, but certainly all redone, custom lines, EBC, progressive suspension, ceramic coated header, spider pipe's been ported. This is also Charlie Brown's turbo from Evergreen Turbo, who is the best in the business. A little bit different. We left the dimple kind of original texture on this belly pan. That's the original front wheel. Corbin seat. We got all new reproduction stickers. Look how beautiful that swing arm looks. Even the concentrics don't have a mark on them. Even the center stand has been powder coated. New neoprene in there. The piece under there is just spectacular. All these are stainless steel. Ogura clutch upgrade. Now this one does not have the dial boost on it. No intercooler. It's absolutely pristine. Absolutely pristine. It's just dusty from sitting in the garage. This originally had about 12,800 miles on it. Since the restoration was completed the better part of 8 years ago, put 214 miles on it. So she doesn't come out very often. So we're going to do, this is a tribute to Roger Twito. It's an absolutely cold motor. This bike has not been started in 45 days probably.